Happy Saturday, everyone. Thanks for watching this video today. We are going to be talking about our day 6. It's really hard, you guys, with these pre-recorded, but we're going to be talking about day 6 of Plant Therapy's Happy Holideals. So let's get started. Are we started? Essential oils definitely can help.
We like giveaways.
We do like giveaways. Forget about the dishes, forget about the laundry, forget about all of that for a minute. That's the same with essential oils, you guys. You have to figure out what works for you. You're gonna see a huge difference, Welcome back. I'm sitting here playing with this and then thinking like, you guys can probably hear that. That's probably annoying. I also like to click my pins when I'm talking to people. It's a thing, okay?
She just likes making noise.
I guess I do. I'm trying to keep my hair back. 1, so you can see my earrings that I'm wearing today. And 2, so you can see this awesome holiday pin set. What? Danny's going to get a nice zoom in of my pin set.
Look at those pins.
Look at those pins. So today's deal we're super excited about because we launched some enamel pin sets during JCam that I know our customers loved, and they were wanting to collect all the different pins that we had during JCam. And we have a new enamel pin set for you, and it is holiday specific. So there's a couple things that I love about this pin set, and I'm going to tell you about that as soon as I tell you how you can get them. So for today's deal, it is day 6. Right?
Yes.
Day 6. So everything today is 10% off, excluding gift cards and gift certificates, but everything else is 10% off, and the discount is automatically applied. And then an extra bonus, if you spend $35 or more, you can get this holiday enamel pin set for free. So not only are you getting a discount, the 10% off, which is automatically applied on everything at planttherapy.com, but if you spend $35 or more today, you can get the free enamel pin set. So what I love about this pin set is it's super holiday, which I'm all over. I love Christmas time. I love this time of year, but every single one of them has a little plant therapy leaf on it.
I know.
So the Christmas tree, Danny, are they kind of zoomed in?
Oh yeah, they're pretty zoomed in.
Okay, okay. The Christmas tree is, it has little ornaments on it, and then like one of the ornaments is a cute little plant therapy green leaf. Like, come on, it's so cute. Don't you love that when I'm showing you this zoomed in, the finger I'm using is the finger that the nail fell off of? So we're going to talk about that later, I think. And then this is a cute little ugly Christmas sweater, which I think all sweaters during this time of year are just considered ugly Christmas sweaters, even if they're not ugly. But
yeah, I think that one's cool. I'd totally wear that.
Yeah, it is really cute. And then right in the middle, it has this adorable little plant therapy leaf. And then the last but not least, because it might be my favorite, the tree or this one's my favorite, I don't know. It is this adorable like red beetle car with a Christmas tree on top and then a cute leaf on the door of the car. Like, come on. They're so adorable. They are the same material as the enamel pin sets that we did during JCam. So if you have those, they are the same material. They have, they're a gold, because I think some of those were silver in color. Oh,
yeah,
no.
I'm trying to remember.
It's cool, guys.
They don't come off. They
stay. The back of them is a gold color on all of them, and they really are just adorable. The detail on them, you guys, is just... like, they're super detailed, they're super good quality. The paint and stuff on them is just really good quality. And just like every little tiny detail that you can think of is on them. They're just adorable. So 10% off everything at planttherapy.com today, excluding gift certificates and gift cards, but everything else, and that discount is automatically applied. But to get the free enamel pin set, you need to spend $35 or more and use coupon code MARY6. So that's for day 6 of Plant Therapy's Happy Holidays. MARY6 is the coupon code to get the enamel pin set for free when you spend $35 or more. I can't really answer any of your questions because you're not here to ask them while I'm on here. But Danny, do you have any questions?
What would you suggest people Or what are some ideas that they could do to fill that $35 purchase?
Yeah, I mean, that's a good question. So we often talk about some of my favorite products. I recently, again, bought more of the age-defying body cream because I love it. And I bought another one to give as a gift. I also, if you haven't checked out the Holiday Sweets lip balm set, the lip balms are huge. I don't have any here because I wasn't planning on talking about this, but they're like this big compared to like a normal lip balm. I mean, they're huge. They smell amazing. They're just, they're wonderful. So, I mean, get yourself a gift. If you want this, get yourself a gift so you can get this for free because they're really cute, they're really quite adorable little pin sets. And then the bonus is that you're getting 10% off anything that you purchase today to get this for free too, which I think is a really awesome bonus. And I just want to remind you one more time that the 10% is across the planttherapy.com, all products. So if there's a product that never goes on sale, which we probably have some of those, get it now because it will be 10% off, which I think is really awesome. So 10% off everything at planttherapy.com, excluding gift cards and gift certificates. And then that discount's automatically applied. So the only reason you need to use the coupon code Mary6 is to get this enamel pin set, this 3-set for free when you spend $35 or more. And the thing that I was playing with is the card that it comes on, which has a very similar design as the body cream set box, which is a really quite pretty design. So so the pin sets come on this card in the set of 3 and are free with the $35 purchase. So make sure you check that out.
So you're saying the pins don't come on a jacket already?
You're right, with me. They're not stuffing me with the pins on my jacket. They're coming on the card.
Of false advertising.
I know. I'm sorry. We need like a disclaimer put on there.
Yeah. Pins do not come with everything.
Person does not come with pins. Okay, so to end this wonderful live, we're going to pull a couple wish lists.
Woohoo!
So if you don't know what we're talking about, even though we're not live. So to end this video, if you don't know what we're talking about when I say we're going to pull a wish list, go check out Friday's live video because I go through and tell you how to create the wish list, how to make it public, how to add items to your wish list. So make sure you go and watch Friday's live.
Actually, I believe it was Wednesdays, last Wednesday.
Today I did it.
Oh, I'm just
and by
kidding.
today, I mean Friday.
Oh, that's right.
Even though this video is Saturday, it's very confusing, you guys.
That's why I'm confused.
But I did do it last Wednesday as well. Like, not this last Wednesday, but the Wednesday before.
I gotcha.
But I did it today, Friday. I did it yesterday. This is
it depends on
whatever.
when you're watching this.
You know what I'm talking about. This is a pre-recording for Saturday. So go watch Friday's live because I told you how to do it on there. But what I'm going to do is I am going to the wish list and I'm just going to pick a random word. And, oh, Danny, I don't think I have mine. Did you? Oh, you brought it back.
It should be right down there.
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Okay, so today I'm going to pick star.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, whoa. Well, there's a lot of people. Oh,
Whoa.
This is not going to work. Here, if I do a space, I wonder if that makes a difference. It does not. Okay.
How about Star Bright?
No, I'm just going to do star.
Oh,
You guys, there are so many. So there are last names that have star in them, like starter set is in it. So anything that has STAR, so it's a ton. So what I'm going to do, since there are an enormous amount, I'm going to pull up all of them. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to scroll through like back and forth. I don't even know because my eyes are closed, as you can see. And I'm going to stop. Right there, starter set by Aurelio Martinez. And look they want an essential oil starter set with the diffuser. So Aurelia Martinez, we are going to send you that starter set.
Yay.
Congratulations. CS is going to get that put together for you, and we are going to send that to you.
Wow, that's awesome.
That is awesome. Okay, Danny, your turn.
Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to
Last time he chose floppy, there were none with floppy.
Yeah, floppy. That was a bad one.
Should we see it? If anybody's added floppy since.
since.
Yeah, you guys have.
Let's do floppy.
These are the customers that watch the live.
Oh, that is hilarious.
I It's like the most random places. Floppy. Okay, Danny, who
Let's
do you
see.
want to pull?
Let's do Candace Cole.
Floppy,
Christmas.
floppy. I noticed that Candace's came up when we did Candy on Friday's live. Too.
Oh, it did. She didn't win, did she?
She didn't win. Nope. I just noticed.
All
I was
right.
like, there's no candy in it, but it was in her name. Okay, Candace, since you have Floppy 3 times, you're going to win some items on your wish list. And it looks like she has items from 2018 as well as 2019, which is really cool. And we're going to send this to CS, and they're going to choose your whole wish list or a few items off of your wish list. It's totally up to them, but we will be sending Candace some items off of her wish list. And hopefully she's watching, because we know she was watching the day that Danny did Floppy. So congratulations to you two. Make sure, if you haven't already, that you create a wish list. On the lives, we choose them based off of random words that we search. However, Paul and Chris are searching on social media. So if you have a wish list and you're comfortable sharing it, share it on the social media channels. Again, on Friday's live, I show you how to do that, but it will up your chance of winning. So,
in fact, I have an idea. If you guys watch tomorrow,
which we're recording right after this.
Yeah. I'm going to use the word, let's see.
Well, Danny, they can't do it because we're recording it now.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
They'll watch Saturday's show, and they will know that I'm going to put this word in a this is
Okay, do it, Danny.
Okay,
what
I'm gonna
word?
do it. I'm going to do pin.
P-I-N or P-E-N?
Oh, let's do holiday pin. What is our pin today?
Oh, P-I-N.
Let's do ugly sweater.
Oh, ugly sweater.
Okay, ugly sweater is what.
So in a future live, we don't know what one, but go and edit your wish list and put an ugly sweater somewhere, because Danny, that's what he's going to choose.
I'm going to choose that ugly sweater.
Okay, guys, that's all we have for you today. If you have any questions, since we can't watch them as this is a pre-recorded, please reach out to cs@planttherapy.com. Having a wonderful Saturday. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Not technically, but I will officially see you on Monday at 9:30 a.m. So make sure you come and join tomorrow for a pre-recorded to talk about day 7, as well as Monday morning we will be back live at 9:30 a.m. Mountain Time. See you guys.